deeply honored and humbled to stand before you today as I accept the appointment as the Chancellor of the University of Cyberjaya. It is a momentous day not only for this institution, but also one that I will certainly cherish for the rest of my life.
I'm truly honored to stand before you today on this auspicious occasion. I implore you to focus on what fuels your spirit and aligns with your aspiration, while continuing to cultivate your knowledge and the ability to put it in practice. You will hopefully contribute to the needs of the society and be prepared to meet the challenges that lies ahead.
The lecturers are so conducive, they treat students as their own children. So I believe that this positive environment that they live upon will give students to actually learn better and will be very, very ready before they move on to the workforce.
My mentor-wise, they helped me a lot in terms of academic, non-academic, extracurricular and even curricular. I rely so much on them during my days here in University of Cyberjaya.
I can say with 100% guarantee that he is the best faculty of pharmacy. I'm quite grateful that I am able to be a part of the experience.
This is where I made a lot of my happy and sad memories, but with the right group of friends, you're gonna enjoy it. So guys, University of Cyberjaya, University of Choice.
I retired at the age of 56, and then I believe I got 20-30 years more to live. So why not? I also follow my son to study. This inspires me to come and study here.
I'm very pleased to receive the award because I was not expecting to get one. I feel very proud to have achieved this in this university.
Memorable experience, I would say a lot, because University of Cyberjaya actually gave us a lot of exposure, and also all the experience are very memorable.
First and foremost, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the graduates of University of Cyberjaya, class of 2023. And this is indeed a very important occasion and convocation for all of them. This is the culmination of their dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment to reach this pinnacle of success. Well done to all of them, and I hope that they will continue to persevere. More importantly, in the workforce, they must be sincere, because when you face with a patient, when you are sincere, the patient can feel your sincerity, and that's important because you build trust. I think for every graduate, you must engage with a patient in terms of from your heart. More importantly is explain issues and challenges and manage the expectation of all patients. And in that case, if you manage to deliver, then I'm sure the patient will trust you. I hope that they can make a big difference in healthcare in time to come.